People knew me as Princess Sarah. Alam mo yun, parang yun talagang nakadikit sa akin eh. And at some point, as I became an adult, parang may time sa buhay ko na napaisip ako na parang, bakit ako? Ba't hanggang ngayon si Princess Sarah pa rin yung nakikita nila? Growing up in the industry, I felt like hindi ako pwedeng maldita.
Have you ever considered quitting?
There was a time that I did. There was a certain project na may ginawa ako, tapos yung serye na yon, for some reason, hindi na ako makaiyak.
Are they aware that you're famous?
Discovering who I am. They watch Mommy Dearest with me.
You will now call me Mommy.
Tapos ako na yung magnanating you know, sometimes, the first few episodes, they like watch me, and as they watch me, they go like this. Yung parang, ikaw ba talaga to? All my life, I've always been the kawawa. Ako lagi yung inaapi. But I wanted also to challenge myself. Kaya ko ba? Ito na tayo sa punto na tayo ay nagmamaldita na.